All right, here we go. This is the 1966 Ford F100 sitting on 37-inch MT Toyos on some trail-rated beadlocks that I received from some sponsorship stuff years back. And we got it mounted up. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty sweet. We got a lot of work to do, but this gives you an idea that our progress is being made and that we are very serious about bringing these old Ford pickups and old iron in general back to life. That is our plan. Joe and I are going to be restoring Ford F100s in this era for the start, and then we will hopefully migrate into other vehicles. But primarily we are known, or myself am known for my 1966 Ford F100, and Joe was so kind to come in and loan me his property and tools and time and parts to help me put together this project, which is going to change my life and one of your lives too. So, as I mentioned, it's a giveaway truck. We're going to give this truck away. Um, you guys have probably seen it before. Every dollar you spend on a website, which is my website, motolife.com, gives you a chance to enter. So that is the model that a lot of other brands and people do and go with. So we are going with the same model. Since I've been selling Moto Life apparel, like this hoodie that I'm wearing now, I have had many years of sales experience, primarily in person, and that meaning like I set up as a vendor and um, pop-up tent, stuff like that, and sell apparel. We do really well. We've had thousands and thousands of customers, which is very impressive for this brand to be selling tens of thousands of dollars worth of apparel on a larger weekend at an event for, say Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We come set up and do $15,000 to $25,000 in sales. But I would like to stimulate my website and continue the e-commerce model and do the giveaway thing. And this is just fun for me and Joe. This is what we're about. So enter to win. This is very important for us to get entries early on. That's why we're mocking this truck up. This is running and driving. I'll have videos of that shortly, but it's got a fresh rebuilt 429 big block Ford. It's got a low mileage C6 transmission. It's going to be two-wheel drive. We have obviously the setup. You can see these are 37-inch 1350/17 MT Project tires. These are racing tires. They are not your standard tire that you buy at your local dealership, but you can get these tires from Toyo or somebody that deals with the racing tires. But anyways, yeah, it looks like I've got to get some things moved out of the way. The driveway is blocking some people that have to leave, so I will continue this. But this is one video that I'm going to be posting up tonight, letting people know what's going on. So we're going to do a lot of more of these videos and be consistent on YouTube. We are in the beginning stages of letting the algorithm figure out who we are, but if you guys like, subscribe, and do all that stuff that you guys normally hear on YouTube, do it for us. We are a new channel. It's a 15-year-old channel. We did really well when we fired up. Had 4,000 plus subs right away. So we know that we have something for people to see, but get us in those algorithms. Likes, comments, subscribes. It's really going to help us out. Thank you guys. Enter to win. This is what we are going to do. Join the program.